Hello everyone. Our today's lecture is going to be based on the speaking module of PTE Academic, and the question type is answer short questions. First and foremost, in this question type, you get 1 mark for every correct answer and you get a 0 for every incorrect answer. The skills which are checked are speaking and listening. This question type cannot be ignored because I understand that this is for very less marks, but the marks are added in listening section also. Visit our blog www.webberz.in/blog, and I have put up a lot of questions there. I have also put up a lot of answer short questions in your login ID, so there'll never be a problem, there'll never be a shortage of questions, and the paper is going to be coming from there only. Now the tips of answer short questions. The first tip is listen carefully, keep your ears open. Majority of the times we miss out on a question because we don't hear it properly. Be prompt and precise, it's extremely important. Do not go blank. And you know why the blank things happen? Because you overthink. Do not overthink. If you overthink, you will become blank. Work on your vocabulary, which is extremely important. Make your grammar stronger. Make it sure that you've got a strong grammar. In case your grammar is weak, my recommendation is talk to your teacher. They'll help you out in grammar. Make a picture of the question. A lot of questions have a picture, but in case they do not have a picture, make a picture in your mind. Imagine something. For example, they talk to you about a triangle. A triangle should come in your mind. Extremely important. Let's practice now. I'm just going to give you some sample questions so you know how the answer is there. I'll keep on playing this. The first question is, what is the first paragraph of an essay? Immediately think of an answer. Okay? It's introduction. Question number 2. What do we call the thread in the center of a candle? You must have seen a candle. There's a thread in the center of a candle. This answer should come to you immediately, and in case you do not know the answer, you have to memorize it. It's called a wick. What are the mountains that can erupt? Think. Answer is volcanoes. Fourth, what are the people who study history and historical evidence called? They are called as historians. Question number 5. Which symbol is used to complete a sentence? Think quickly. It's a full stop. We also call it as a period. Now remember one thing, in case there are 2 answers for a question, both are correct. But you have to speak only one. Question number 6. Where does a camel normally live? Camel. Where does it live? A desert. Question 7. A document protecting someone's intellectual property. What is that document called? It's called as a copyright. Question number 8. What is the job title for someone who makes meals in a restaurant? A chef or a cook? Again, remember, there are 2 answers. Both of them are correct, but you have to speak only one. With this, we come to the end of this small video. Follow us on YouTube, subscribe to our channel, comment, like and share. Thank you so much.